Students, welcome in chemistry session. Very good morning to all of you. Here in continuation of our parts, that is organic chemistry. Topic second. In topic second, we'll learn the part of this aldol reactions, Knoevenagel condensation, Monich reaction, Knoevenagel condensation reaction, aldol reaction. That is the aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. Here, Monich reaction, Perkin reaction, Wittig reaction, Grignard reagents, that is Grignard reactions, and metal hydride reductions, that is by using lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Here we will learn this is the chemoselective reagent. What is the selectivity and why it is called as the chemoselective reagents, reduction of carbonyl compound. तो यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करते हैं aldol reaction से. As we know that the basic of aldol reactions you have been studied in 11-12 standard, that is what is aldol reaction and what is the types of the aldol reactions, simple aldol and cross aldol reaction. So first of all, the aldol reaction is what? The reaction between what? Two moles of carbonyl compound. So it must be what? Alpha carbon atom, presence of alpha carbon atoms, at least one alpha carbon must be there. Whenever the absence of alpha carbon atoms, then the reaction is goes, that is the one of the name of the reaction, this is the Cannizzaro reaction. But here presence of one alpha carbon and hydrogen atom, it must be what? Hydrogen atoms on alpha carbon atom. It is in the presence of the basic condition, or as you can take, the reaction takes place basic condition as well as acidic condition, basic condition as well as acidic condition. So what happens? The reaction takes place in acidic or basic condition, formation of what? Alpha beta, as you can say alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound after loss of water molecule, or as you can say condensation. This is called as alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl what? Compound. This is the product of aldol condensation reaction. Here, if two similar mole of aldehyde or ketone is react in the presence of acidic or basic condition, formation of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, this types of the reaction is known as what? SACR. This is called as what? SACR, simple aldol condensation reaction. If you can take, this is the aldehyde, one is aldehyde and another is a ketone. One is aldehyde and another is a ketone. So not only the aliphatic but also cyclic. Cyclic aliphatic is there. Not only acyclic but also cyclic. The reaction is again takes place in presence of the acidic or the basic condition and formation of what? Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is called as what? Cross aldol condensation reaction, or we can say this is also known as mixed aldol condensation reaction. इसको mixed aldol condensation reaction कहा जाता है. So this is what? A starting reactant molecule from what? Two different carbonyl compound. It is what? Aldehyde and this one is what? Ketone. Aldehyde and ketone, दोनों का reaction, the both are the different, it is not a similar the reactant molecules, that is a carbonyl compound, it must be different. So that's why this is called as what? Mixed aldol or cross aldol condensation reaction. इसको mixed aldol और cross aldol condensation reaction कहा जाता है. तो यहाँ पे हम particular reaction देखते हैं aldol का, simple as well as cross. If we are having the starting reactant molecule is what? Carbonyl compound. For example, we can take, this is a reaction is that we can take, this is the acetone, it is react with the basic condition. The base is that ATONA, sodium ethoxide. This one is a CS3 and this one is a CS3. So what happens? This first step, as you can say, this one is 2 moles of these two equivalent, 2 moles. Then what happens? What is the product? As we are having the mechanism path, what is the mechanism? First step, we are having the acetone, it is treated with the base having tendency to take the proton from alpha carbon, it becomes to the carbon ion, and the carbon ion becomes to enolate ion. There is formation of what? Enolate ion. So what happened here? Enolate this carbon ion, and this one is what? Enolate ion. In the second step, we are having the enolate ion. This enolate ion is treated with what? Second mole of carbonyl compound. This is what we call this nucleophilic addition. Here the nucleophilic addition on carbon hetero multiple bond. These types of the reaction, this organic chemistry, the topic number 2, this nucleophilic addition reaction. So NSR, we can say this is nucleophilic addition reaction is here. So what happens? This is what going to the formation of the new CC bond is takes place. Here generation of the new CC bond, यहाँ पे new CC bond, as you can say sigma bond is obtained. This is CH3 O negatively charged. Then it is react with H plus acidic condition, CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond O. So here here it becomes to what? In presence of basic condition, यहाँ पे मिलेगा हमें OH. So this one is CH3. Then what happens in the last step? The last step is what? We can take this is what? This is the dehydration, means what? Condensation. Alpha hydrogen atom from alpha carbon and hydroxy from the beta carbon. Loss of water molecule, this CH3 C double bond O, it become to double bond CH3 alpha beta. So this is called as alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. These are what? A simple aldol condensation reaction. तो यहाँ पे हमारा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हुआ अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड इज द aldol condensation. This is called as the simple aldol condensation reaction. इंस्टेड ऑफ एसीटोन यहाँ पे हम ले सकते हैं पीएच, एसीटोफिनोन ले सकते हैं. टू इक्विवेलेंट. So what happens? This is the pH and this one is the pH. So this is one of the product. What is this mechanism? Here we can take mechanism. pH atom is here, pH atom is here. This one is the pH, this one is the pH, this one is the pH, and this is what a pH. So this is what final product. This is the after condensation alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is the product of simple aldol condensation reaction. Two moles of the acetophenone is react with the in the presence of the basic condition. Then what happen? Formation of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So this is the types, the name of the reaction. It is known as the simple aldol condensation reaction. This is the reactant molecule name acetophenone. So this is what a simple aldol condensation reaction. Then we are approaching toward this is the cross aldol condensation. The cross aldol condensation and simple aldol condensation reaction, the mechanism path is same. Okay, we can take this is the cross aldol condensation. If you are on the starting reactant molecule is what? यहाँ पे हम starting reactant molecule लेते हैं aldehyde ketone. यहाँ पे हमें लेना है एक aldehyde लेना है और दूसरा लेना है ketone. Aldol में हम लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे mix aldol. So as you can say mix aldol or cross aldol, cross or mix aldol reaction. So what happen here? If we are in the starting reactant molecule is the acetone plus aldehyde in presence of basic condition, that is sodium ethoxide. Then what happen? What is the product? As you can say this is the reaction. What is the mechanism of such types of the reaction? If you are in this, the acetone is react with for base having tendencies same. You can take this is the formation of the carbon ion, and this carbon ion is goes to what? It generate to what? Enolate ion. So there is formation of this enolate ion. This one is what? Carbon ion, and this is what? Enolate ion. So what happens? This is the second step. In the second step what happens? You can take this enolate ion is there. This enolate ion is react with what? It is react with what? The aldehyde. This is the nucleophilic addition. I am writing this is the nucleophilic addition is here. Nucleophilic addition on carbon oxygen multiple bond. As you can say carbon hetero multiple bond. Again here formation of the new CC bond is generated. This one is the hydrogen atoms. So H plus acidic condition, it become to OH. Then what happen? This CH3 C double bond O, this become to what? OH. And the last step what? Last step is what? Minus H2O, means what? Condensation. Hydrogen atom form alpha carbon and hydroxy group form beta carbon. Then formation of CH3 C double bond O, double bond is here, one hydrogen atom. This is called as what? A final product of such types of the reaction. It is called as what? क्रॉस अल्डोल और मिक्स अल्डोल रिएक्शन. तो यहाँ पे हम असाइक्लिक कंपाउंड भी ले सकते हैं, जैसे कि ये हो गया हमारा असाइक्लिक, यहाँ पे साइक्लिक रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल ले सकते हैं. मीन्स व्हाट? इफ यू आर इन दिस द cyclopentanone as well as cyclohexanone. So in your computer exams or your board that is the MSc semester, as a MSc semester exam will ask the such types of the question. If you have to predict the product, you have to provide it. You have to provide it is such types of the reactant molecules. Cyclopentanone, again what? Cyclohexanone, cyclopentanone, cyclohexanone, again what? Cyclohexanone. It is react with what? Acetone. It is react with what? Acetophenone. So what happened? The starting reactant molecule is what? This is cyclohexanone. Predict the product with mechanism. आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. Predict the product with mechanism. आपको रिएक्टेंट दिया जाएगा, रिएक्शन कंडीशन दिया जाएगा. यहाँ पे आपको दिया है बेसिक कंडीशन हीट एंड यू कैन प्रोवाइडेड हियर PHC double bond OCH3. Acetone is here. Reaction condition is same. Again you have to provided this types of the reactant. This is what? Benzaldehyde. Again another types of the reaction condition. You have to given this is the benzaldehyde plus what? Acetophenone. This is what? Acetophenone, C double bond OCH3. This is called as the acetophenone. Then what happened? This reaction condition is what? This one is the reaction condition. So what happened? What is the product? What is the product of reactions? You have to what? This is a 5 member. As you can say, this one is the 5 member. This C double bond O. It going to the formation of what? This attack on this types of the carbon. And here double bond is what? It generate, and this is the what? A CH3. So this attack on these types of the carbon, and this is what? 1 2 3 1 2 3. Again here is also same product is obtained. This C double bond O, it is going to the formation of what? COH. It is going to the formation of double bond is here. This one is the pH atoms, and this one is a CH3. Again here we are having this is the cyclohexanone. This cyclohexanone is as it is, double bond is formed here. This one is the pH, this one is the hydrogen. So here acetophenone, you can take this is the acetophenone, C double bond O as it is. Again here CH3, यहाँ पे आएगा double bond. So this become to the double bond is here, and this is carbon 1 2 carbon. This is what? 1 carbon 2 carbon 3 carbon 1 2 3 carbon, और यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा pH. So these are what reaction, that is what as we have to provide it by using the reaction condition, basic condition as well as acidic condition. So this is what a product, final product of simple aldol. This is what a cross aldol. This is the cross aldol, simple aldol and simple aldol reactions.